And this is their TrueLight X2 earphone. So it comes with a Bluetooth 6.0. It says it has 21-hour playtime, yung battery life, 13mm driver, and slide tuning. So, para malaman natin, buksan na natin. Okay, check natin. So it comes with a charging cable, the earphones itself, some spare ear tips, and the user manual inside. So let's check the earphones itself. So here's the color white one. Yan. Napakaganda nung texture niya. It's matte finish sa ilalim, sa lower part. And sa harap naman niya, glossy finish siya and smooth. Naka-Type-C na rin siya for charging. Para magamit natin siya, we will just slide this up. So, ipe-pair lang natin siya. So, ganito naman yung fit niya sa tenga. So, yan. Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Napakaganda ng bass niya. But, hindi niya na-overpower yung treble. Kasi kahit ang lalim ng bass niya, dinig ko pa rin yung mga matitinis na sounds. At the same time, rinig din yung iba't ibang instruments. Hindi mo talaga i-expect na ganun yung output nito para sa ganitong price lang. So, if you're interested with this one, I'll just put the link down below and follow for more.